So here is the boat launch, Mom and Dad, over by your house. That's the signage. The turnaround's right there. That signage is usually about 50 feet inland. So even these trees here, you know, the dock is usually well past that. You can see that island out there. That is completely covered probably under several feet of water. I can't even turn around here. I have to back up. I don't know if you can see that fenced in area right there. That's usually where the dumpsters sit for all the trash and recycling pickup. Cool.